Hi friends, in this video we're going to talk about how to reset Grafana admin password from command line. This is particularly useful if you forget the admin password. We are going to show it for Windows, but it's going to be the same for other operating systems also. So I'm going to go to the Grafana's installation folder, C, program files, Grafana, and then in the bin folder, I can open a command prompt as an administrator in this bin folder and use the Grafana CLI.exe to reset the admin password. So let's open an administrative command line. So I'm going to search cmd, run as an administrator. Now change the folder to this path, which is the Grafana's bin path. So I'm going to say cd path of the Grafana's bin path, and then now I'm in that folder. Now let's use Grafana CLI.exe. So I'm going to say Grafana CLI and say admin and say reset admin password. And now here you type the new admin password. So I'm going to say some super secret password and click enter. Now Grafana has changed the admin password successfully. So just by running a single command using Grafana CLI.exe, you can reset the admin password very easily. So if you are using Grafana in Ubuntu, open a command line in the Grafana's installation folder and say Grafana CLI admin reset password new password. You don't need to write exe there. You just need to write Grafana CLI admin reset password and the new password. So now if I go to the Grafana's login page, use admin and my new password. If I log in, I'm able to log into Grafana. The whole content of this video is present in this blog post. So please be sure to check out the link of this blog post in the description of this video. If you want to learn more about Grafana, I've already made a playlist on that, and I will leave the link of this playlist in the description of this video. Please ask questions or post your valuable feedback in the comment section. Hope you like this video guys. Thank you for watching. Peace.